your big guide channel. In this video we will learn about pivot table. So we have a data here, employee code, full name, branch, sales and their budget. So select the data or even keep the cursor anywhere is the same thing. So let's select the data, go to insert tab. There is the option of pivot and pivot table recommended. You can use either of them. The best thing you can do is the recommended one. It will give your data organized easily. If you want to start from the scratch, go to the pivot table, click here. The data is already selected over here, as you can see. This is the selection, or if you want to select it from any external source, means you need to upload any file, you can take from there as well. Or this workbook, if you want to use as a data model, you can use this function as well. So we are going to select this range, and it's asking where you want your pivot table to be placed. If you want in the existing document, you can click here, click any location like that. But if you want in a new sheet, you can click here, it will create a new sheet automatically. So just that's it, click OK. Now the next sheet, sheet 1 is here, sheet 2 is here, the pivot table is created. Here what we are looking for, we are looking for basically the employee sales and budget. So this sum we will put in a filter, and here we will take the full names, and we will take the sales and the budget. So here it's very simple. Now if I want to know that this gentleman has this much sale and his budget was this, okay, so it's very easy so far. One more thing I want to emphasize here, these settings is very easily changed. If you go here, you can change the way you wanted them to look. You can change them this way, you can arrange them this way. So there are several ways you can organize your data here, pivot table data. It's like that, whatever you feel comfortable with. Generally it comes like that. Okay, now the question, if I want to know what was the difference or surplus in their sales, let's say surplus, we are typing surplus, means plus minus whatever they had. So we will take out the surplus with equals their sales minus their budget, and you can just simply either drag or click. Right now alt HBA. Okay, but here you won't see this surplus in the pivot table. So how you can do that? You have to go to same pivot table, you need to click on and go to analysis tab. Here you will find change data source function. Click on that, click on change data source. It will go back to the first sheet. Here you can select the data again and just click OK. When you click OK, you go to directly again to pivot table. Here you will see the surplus function. Click here, you get the surplus as well. So this is as simple as that. You can also create slicers. Same, going to analysis. Slicer you can create of anything, whichever your whatever you want. Example, if I want to create a slicer of branches, click OK. You will see all the branches are slicer created. Simply, if I just want to know the only Abu Dhabi, so one gentleman has done 45 sales, budget was 360, so surplus is 315 negative. If I want Bulandshahr, here it is. If I want Dubai, here it is. So this is how you can put timeline and also slicer. Timeline you can put if there is a date, since there are no dates mentioned in this file, so we can put timeline function. If there are dates, we can put timeline functions as well, which I'm going to show you in the next video. Here one more thing we can do, we can put a recommended pivot chart or pivot chart. Simply you click again analysis, go to pivot chart. It will give you how or whichever chart you feel is good. If we go for pie chart, it will look like this, because since it's a one person sale, you go radar, click OK, it will create a chart over here. Now instead of Dubai, if I want to select Dubai, Abu Dhabi both, so it will go data for both. I want to select also a lane. Okay, so now I'll get the data in a triangle shape for 3. So this is a pivot chart. So this is not difficult, it's a very simple thing to do, to create a pivot chart or create slicer. Now timeline I will show you in the next video. Okay, one more thing, example, if you want to auto refresh your data, so simply you have to go here, right click, go to pivot table options, click here in the options, go to data tab and select this refresh data when opening the file. So whenever there is a changes in the file, it will refresh itself and click OK. It's done. You can select single, you can select all, remove this. Here you got the data. So that's it about this video. Guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you next time.